Today we'll be learning about how to install and sign in to Telegram account. For that, you need to open the Play Store or App Store on your device, and on the top you can see search bar, tap on it and type in Telegram. Once you open, next to the Telegram you can see install button, tap on install and install the Telegram on your device. You need to wait for a while until it gets installed on your device, and once it gets installed, you can see it easily on your home screen. And once the Telegram app has already been installed, tap on open. Now you'll be taken to this welcome screen of Telegram application, so tap on start messaging button. So if you want to allow Telegram to receive calls, you can tap on continue. And in order to access Telegram to make and manage phone calls, you can tap on allow or else tap on don't allow. Here you need to enter the country code and the phone number. After that, you can enter the verification code and confirm your phone number as well. So once your number get verified, a phone call will appear on your screen in order to verify it, and after it get verified, you need to tap on continue in order to turn on notifications of Telegram. The another box has appeared that says allow Telegram to send you notification. So if you want to allow, tap on allow, otherwise tap on don't allow. Here you can see that I have already been logged in to my Telegram account. So in this way you can easily log in and install the Telegram application on your device. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.